silent, smart and space-saving. Chamberlain RJO101 Garage Door Opener for next-level convenience. The Chamberlain RJO101 wall-mount garage door opener redefines convenience and functionality. This ultra-quiet opener not only frees up valuable ceiling space but also eliminates vibrations, making it perfect for living spaces near the garage. Its sleek wall-mounted design is an aesthetic upgrade, providing room for overhead storage, lighting, or fans. Unlike traditional openers, the RJO101 operates with near-silent precision, ensuring peace and quiet for your family. Pair this with its advanced connectivity features, and you've got a smart, secure solution that fits seamlessly into modern living. Experience unparalleled connectivity with built-in Wi-Fi and the Mic app. Whether you're home or away, monitor and control your garage door with just a tap on your smartphone. Forget worrying about power outages, its integrated battery backup ensures access even during blackouts. Compatible with Amazon Key and Walmart Plus in-home, this opener turns your garage into a secure delivery hub. The Advanced Security Plus 2.0 encryption offers unbeatable protection, generating over 100 billion unique codes to keep unauthorized users out. When it comes to convenience and safety, the RJO101 is in a league of its own. Lighting your garage has never been easier. The remote LED lighting system provides full coverage with up to 8 pods, turning your garage into a bright, functional space. Its motion-activated lighting ensures you're never fumbling in the dark, while its energy-efficient design keeps power usage low. Combine this with the 3D BILT Intelligent Instructions for easy installation, and setting up your garage door opener becomes a hassle-free experience. Say goodbye to dimly lit, chaotic garages and hello to a space that's well-lit, organized, and stylish. Durability and reliability are the hallmarks of the Chamberlain RJO101. Built with a direct drive power system, this opener delivers consistent performance, effortlessly lifting your garage door time and time again. Customers rave about its quiet operation, powerful motor, and sleek appearance. Its compact design doesn't just save space, it enhances the usability of your garage, transforming it into a versatile part of your home. With top-notch materials and engineering, the RJO101 is designed to last, outshining competitors in both quality and innovation. This garage door opener is not just a tool, it's an upgrade to your lifestyle. By saving ceiling space, reducing noise, and offering advanced smart features, the RJO101 simplifies your daily routine. It's a long-term investment that saves time and enhances security, offering unparalleled value for its price. Why settle for outdated systems when you can enjoy cutting-edge technology that's as effective as it is stylish? Make the switch today and experience the Chamberlain difference. It's more than a product, it's a smarter way to live.